Beautiful day as I welcome you to Menalights TV. This time around, this is the question that we have, and let's see how best we can solve this. So we have the 7 exponent x plus 7 exponent x minus 1, which is equal to 56. So we have to find the value of x. So what is the value of x? So we have our solution. Now, before we can start, let's look at this law of indices. So we have the a exponent m divided by a exponent n, which is equal to, so when the bases are the same and you are dividing, we subtract the exponent. So this becomes a exponent m minus what? N. So the 7 exponent x minus 1, 2, we can write it in this form. So we have the 7 exponent x here, then the second one plus 7 exponent x divided by 7 exponent 1. So this will give us the 7 exponent x minus 1, which is the same as 56. So we can rewrite this as 7 exponent x plus 7 exponent x times 7 exponent negative 1. 7 exponent what? Negative 1, which is the same as 56. So we have the 7 exponent x plus 7 exponent x, then multiply by, you can rewrite this as 1 over 7 here, 1 over 7, so which is the same as 56. Now we have 7 exponent x here, another 7 exponent x here, so we can factor out. So we have the 7 exponent x out, and this will go here 1 plus, and this will also go here 1 over 7, which is equal to 56. 7 exponent x, then 1, so 1 plus this will give us one whole number, 1 over 7, which is equal to 56. So now you can clean this fully. Then what we have is, we have the 7 exponent x, then the 7 times 1 will give us 1 plus 1 will give us 8. So that becomes times 8 over 7, which is equal to 56. So we want to get rid of this 8 over 7. So for us to get rid of this 8 over 7, then you have to multiply by 7 over 8. We have to multiply both sides by 7 over 8. So because of that, the 7 exponent x divided by times 8 over 7 times 7 over 8, which is the same as 56 times 7 over 8. So once we are done with that, this will cancel, then we are left with 7 exponent x, which is equal to, so here the 8 will go into itself once and go into 56 7 times, so we have the 7 there. So if you can see clearly, we have 7 times 7 there. So here we have the 7 exponent x, which is equal to 7 times 7 will give us what? 49, which is the same as 7 squared. So here the bases are the same. The exponent here, they are 1 1. So once the bases are the same, we are multiplying, we can add the exponent, and this becomes what? 7 exponent 2. Now let's look at the exponent. Now the bases are the same, so we can compare the exponent. So with this, we can say that the value of x is equal to 2. So the value of x is what? Is 2. Now when you put 2 back into this, you will surely get the same 56. So let's try and see if you can get the same result. So x is equal to 2. So when you take the first one, that is 7 squared plus the second one, which is 7, the x is 2 minus 1, that's supposed to give us 56. So the 7 squared is 49 plus, then when you deduct 1 from 2, you are left with 1. So 7 exponent 1 is the same 7. So we have the 7, which is equal to 56. Then 49 plus 7 will give us 56. So 56 is equal to 56. So truly, the value of x is what? Is 2.